Boo. 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 Larsson Line has flipped gold on Bitcoin, meaning the trend is now officially up again. Our hopes and dreams came true. The last time this happened was on May 4th, 2020, over a year ago, giving us an entry of $8,733. Then Larsson Line remained gold while Bitcoin ran up to over $64,000. Now it happened again. This is a very important video. I have celebrated by fixing up the studio with the advice of my genius wife. She's sitting over there doing important work for Ericsson. But City of Larsson office supports Swedish business. Free coffee.
Thank you.
Free aircon. Stockholm's probably best internet connection and an occasional good advice. So it's only fair that we get some design tips back. I completely lack any form of artistic talent. Then later in May, it turns out we've all been played at the top. It was a textbook Wyckoff distribution. Thankfully, the market gave us some signals. The laser eyes euphoria was a clue, and I tweeted about it. But even without that, we got the head and shoulders top, giving you an exit of 50% at 48,000. Then the misery continued, and Larsson Line flipped blue at 40,000 for the remaining 50%. On average, you escaped at 44k if you followed the process religiously. Then, the support that was not new to this time, but actually established in January this year, held. It held once on May 19th, it held twice on May 23rd, 3 times on June 8th, 4 times June 22nd, 5 times and 6 times on July 2021. Buying support while putting a stop loss below is always good risk reward, and I said that many times during this period. So if you played that, you got some entries at 30k there. Also, in this digital age, it feels good to drill. Nice. Okay, so ran into the first snag. This is the 90 centimeter board, 90, and the 90 centimeter shelf, 90. Great fit on this side, and on this side, wait a minute now. It's too short. Fortunately, I'm an engineer. I cut this part here, which will let me bring this closer together. And now this is gonna fit. Am I smart or what? Then this rectangle held, and it held, and it held, and there was really no way of knowing in which direction it would break out. There is more than 50% probability for a rectangle to break in the same direction as the move before that, which was this move, and that was down. But this is why you shouldn't guess what will happen. It is usually much better to just wait and see what actually plays out and act on that instead, because it broke up. We even got the nice retest which held. And now, Larsson Line is gold again. I tweeted yesterday, which then gave you an opportunity to enter at the same 44k level as we got out. So you could sleep the whole summer since May, avoid pain in your stomach each time China banned Bitcoin, and each of the 6 times that price crashed. And most importantly, you protected your capital. There was no knowing at that time how deep this dip would get. It could have gotten much worse. It looked pretty grim actually. The most important factor in being successful with investing is don't lose your money, because then you have nothing to invest with. Protecting capital when things look bad is the right move. Now the situation is totally different. Now we have a strong bottom pattern confirmed. The rectangle broke up, and Larsson Line has flipped gold, and we could re-enter at the same level, and we got 6 chances to buy at 30k support. Isn't that great? Okay, first attempt failed actually. The wall is too soft. The house is probably built in the 1800s sometimes, and the walls are really soft. It's not a hard concrete that we have today. It's perfect for building the house, but mounting these heavy shelves in, it's not gonna work. It's gonna fall down. I'm gonna take this out again. Look here, the plugs come out again. That's not great. It's gonna be dangerous if this falls down from 3.5 meters up. I'm gonna try with glue. Larger diameter screws. Last screw and I'm a little sweaty. Ah, look at this! No, I'm talking to the camera. The market is too nice to us. Is it too good to be true? I don't know, but I will not start second guessing this system that has now worked for so many years. The dream scenario now would be a big dip while the trend remains up. Now I will show you something that will change your life. This one. If you drill in the wall and suck up the dust with your vacuum cleaner. So what you do instead is that you connect your vacuum cleaner to this thing. This one will filter out the dust, you won't destroy your vacuum cleaner and you won't blow the dust back out into the air. Then you can empty that one. When you're done, it fills up the whole thing. I am a total sucker for great tools. You need Bacco tools. Swedish quality, founded 1886. Good tools last literally 100 years. So why would you suffer your whole life with cheap tools when you just need to buy one good one? This shelf isn't gonna fall down.
So was it good with my advice?
Feels great. Time for some fika. It's a very happy day in the Bitcoin markets, guys. Smash the like, smash the subscribe, smash the bell, smash everything. Let's go! But please, a big dip first. Okay? Please.